Magandang hapon po ng November 7, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng November 7, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, November 7, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 7, 2024, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for Thursday, November 7, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 7, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.